we're going to the very first step when it comes to reducing data consumption in your computer. So I will go to the start menu, and then once we are in the start menu, we'll click on no, we don't click on anything, sorry. So once you've clicked on the start menu, you will see these applications, these tiles. The Windows tiles are by default set to use your data in the background. Such applications use the data, stay updated, like for instance, let's see the news app. Do we have the news app here now? So we don't have that. If we scroll down, yeah, we have the news app right there. So whenever this tile is turned on, it accesses your data or uses your data. So the best thing to do is make sure that you turn this off. So in some other versions of Windows, you just right click on it and then you'll see turn lifetime off. But in this case, I have to go to more and then turn it off. And in my case, it's all of it has been turned off, so you don't have to worry about that. So let's assume they were all on. All my lifestyles were on. All lifestyles on. Like now, this case. Now, when they're on, these tiles use your data without your permission. That is. So you have to click on each and every one of them. Right click, that is, and then turn lifetime off. Right click. If you go to more, turn off. Right click, lifetiles, more, turn off. Right click, lifetiles, turn off. Now, there is however one thing that you might consider doing. If you need, for instance, weather updates, or you need to get Skype updates in the background, Microsoft Edge, or updates from Microsoft Store, without having to open the application, what you have to do is you have to leave that on. You have to go and say this should be on. Leave the lifetime on. This will help you with those updates. But it is advisable that you turn all of them off. That is, if you're using small amounts of data like monthly subscriptions or mobile data. So that's the first thing. Choose what you would like to be on and what you'd like to be off. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you solve your problem, just helps you solve a part of it. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.